How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. I'm glad you dropped in. Today we have a video about using the tractor to grade my lane. After a winter's worth of plowing snow, the lane is in pretty rough shape. So I want to grade off that lane and bring the gravel back into the middle. And summer's getting on now, so I thought I'd better get at that before it's time to start plowing snow again. So I'm going to use my back blade for this job. And the back blade I got this blade especially because of this feature. Most back blades can angle and they can tip, but this back blade I can also offset. So that's going to come in handy for what I want to do. I want the blade to be offset. I'm going to offset as far as I can to the right so I can reach over the edge of the lane, which I normally can't get to with my tractor, because if I get too close to the edge, I'm afraid I might go too far over with the tractor, if you know what I'm trying to say there. I don't want to do that. So I can go like normally along the edge where I would normally go with the tractor, but with the back blade offset to the right, I'm hoping I can reach in there and grab some of the gravel that I plowed away, pull it back into the lane, and use that to smooth off the lane so we can have a nice driveway for the summer. So let's go see how I make out. So here's my back blade. It's a 5-foot back blade, a good width for my tractor. You can see here with the kingpin and all, I can angle the blade left to right. You can also spin all the way around, so you can push with the back blade, and that's handy as well. And also with the adjustment on my lift arm there, I can tip the blade down on the right hand side. But the other thing I like about this is this setup right here with these two nuts. I can loosen those off and I can offset the blade one way or the other. So what I want to do is move it to the right. So let's see if I got enough oomph in me to loosen these. Nanny must have put these on. Oh, there we go. So we loosen those, and now I'm going to try and offset it here to the right. Sometimes this can be a challenge. You need 2 men and a Newfoundland dog to move this. Okay, there. So I had quite a battle, but I got it offset. And if you look here from the front of the tractor now, sight down the tractor, you can see that blade is offset now by a good foot or more. And on this side, it's just about lined up with the edge of the tractor. So I've got 4 feet still behind my tractor, but I got a 1 foot overhang here, which is ideal for what I'm going to do. So let's go grade the lane. ended kind of quick there, sorry about that, but battery went dead in the camera. What can I say? Technical difficulties. Anyways, I hope you liked the little video about grading out the lane. You know, I should have been at this a lot earlier than I was, but anyways, you know, one thing leads to another, and next thing you know, you're into summer and you still haven't got some of your spring projects done. But anyway, we got the lane graded, and offsetting that blade like that, I think that works great. If you're ever thinking about getting a back blade, make sure that you get an offset option or a way to offset your blade. Some back blades, the whole blade will pivot left to right from the drawbar point, and then you can angle your blade back to get the angle that you want for grading. But anyways, offsetting is a good option to have in a back blade. So thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, so I'm glad you dropped by. I hope everybody thumbs up me. I hope you leave me some comments, because I love getting comments from my regular viewers. Thanks a million. I like what you do for my channel, and I sure appreciate it. Take care, everyone. We'll talk to you.